Hello people, today I'm playing Fortnite. Look, you hear good. Now this is the first time I played Fortnite, as you can tell. I'm gonna play solos. I don't know who changed it to this. As soon as I press the button, it puts me. That hurt. Okay. Loading, 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 loading. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, 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 loading. Ooh. It's loading. Cool! As soon as I say it. That was the best emo ever. Well, one of them. I don't, time to go clap some people. Who this guy? Where Mr. Default? Hi, Mr. Default. Oh wait, that's a missus. Oops. I didn't see it until I got close. They better miss. Let's see what he turned out. Okay, so I guess I'm not clapping any. I'm not clapping anybody. I was the 94th player to get killed. It's kind of sad. It's a John Wick 2. What's that back bling you have there? You see, when he was, if you guys notice, that when he was drinking, that the shields, all of the liquid missed his mouth, and he still gained shield. I don't know how to explain that, but that has to happen. Oh, this is my favorite background. Guys, don't put on random. You know. Oh, never mind. No. See. Oh, yes. Yes. Keep dancing. That's the best dance I've ever seen. No, it was a floss. I'm sorry. It just had to. Yeah. Oh yeah, I had to go Misty Meadows. Usually by the time I land, there's always somebody getting a kill. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You see, he took the L. Even if that was your suicide. see. Let's see. Let's see. How did... Never mind. Boom. Bada bang. Bop bop. A smart man once told me, now you're gonna get yourself killed if you just drink something like that in the open. But I didn't believe him. Let's see. I like how if you do anything, you can get EXP. I thought so. I'm here to get some kills. Not going to stop. Another chest. Chow. See, earlier, I already drank my shield potion. This is complete bug. Hey, why is he white? I mean, usually they're black and... Never mind. The last time I played Fortnite, it was much easier. Either because I wasn't tired, or I'm just losing some skill. And I can't be losing some skill. And I'm not going to use my controller I have plugged in currently, because that has sensitivity, and I don't feel like changing it. Y'all got it. My friend's channel, Midian1102, and Ray 2, unless he changed his YouTube channel name again for like third time. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Let's see who has the best dance. Oh yes. 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 Oh, he left. Oh yes. Let's go over here. Cause sometimes when I'm playing, if I hold a gun, sometimes they wouldn't see me. I don't know why. My friend said it's because of my skin. Cause the skin I'm wearing is like dark and over there is dark, so. But I don't, that may be the case, but by the way, I know what those big things do. They give you shields. Just in case you people are saying, go to those. See, that's what these do. Oh shoot, I'm about to get murdered. Yeah, at least I got something. Right to the butt. How? What help? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, at least I got an elimination. Just wanted to try hard. This is Raven. I think that's go 50. Loading, still loading. Made in China. Well, this may be my last match. I'm so sorry, guys. Just kidding. I have a few more minutes. Oh yes. Oh yes. No, clap, 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 no, clap. I just had to. No, cause that was the best dance I ever heard. Now let's go over here. Nope. Let's see, where else can I go? I'm gonna go over here. Landed. And I should be the only one here. It's downstairs. Yes! It's just a sniper. Yes! It's a sniper. Oops. Yes, I'll take it. Ooh. Oh wait, no, that's just a bandage gun. Poop. Straight dookie. Deluxe animal turd. Oh, freak! My mouse wouldn't work. It stopped working. My mouse stopped working. It would have threw bombs in there for you. But then I might have mined out. Poo poo. Poo poo. Die. Well, anyway, bye guys. It's the end of my video. Bye.